Hi, it's Nancy here. Welcome to my craft room. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I wanted to share with you my what I purchased with a gift certificate from a Christmas gift. So the first thing I got was 2 of these storage boxes, and these are the Kugis from IKEA. And what I plan on doing with these is holding my various ink trays in the tray. Then I also got these plastic trays, and they're from Walmart, and they look like they're going to fit just perfectly, these flat ink trays. So these are going to go in my drawers of my Alex filing cabinet, and I am going to do a craft room video once I get it cleaned up a little bit more and the drawers filled in. The next thing I purchased with my gift certificate was some items from Simon Says Stamps. And the first stamp is the Studio Kata, and it's these various flowers. And what I plan on doing with these is coloring them with Copic markers and or perhaps watercoloring them, and then cutting out along the edge and doing a card like that. I stamped them out so you could see what the stamp looks like, and once I get a card put together, I'll do another video on how I did that. Then I purchased this penny black stamp, and it's called Happy Times, and I thought this was so cute. It's got, I stamped it out as well. It's got a kitty carrying some presents, a dog with a newspaper. I really like this cat on the skateboard, and then a cute little mouse, and then these 2 sentiments. So again, I will do another video when I create a card using that stamp set. Then I purchased a stencil, and I really liked these houses, and I can think of a lot of different ways to use them. I used some Distress ink and just used a dauber and did the top part of the cityscape so you could see what it looks like. And again, I'll do another card or a project using it, and I'll do a video on that. And then I purchased this stencil as well, and this is from Ultimate Crafts, and it's a big medallion, and I think I will use distressed inks and maybe some layering technique with some sparkle in it, and I look forward to showing you what I create with that. And then I have seen this Nuvo Deluxe adhesive being used a lot, and I've been using a tape runner, but I thought maybe I would try this clear drying ink and see if I liked that better. So that is my recent craft haul, and I will be posting some videos soon using the products that I've shown you. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.